Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, we'll walk through how to remove a chat from a folder on Telegram, step by step. Whether you're tidying up your folders or just want to declutter your chat list, this simple process will help you organize things in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into the account where you've created your chat folders. Once you're in, look at the top of your chat list, and you'll see different tabs for your folders like Work, Personal, or Archived. Now, tap on the folder that contains the chat you want to remove. Inside this folder, scroll through your list of conversations until you find the one you'd like to take out. Once you've found it, press and hold the chat for a moment. On desktop, you can simply right-click it. This will select the chat and bring up a few options at the top or in a small menu. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually in the corner of your screen. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear with different options. From there, select Remove from Folder. Telegram will instantly take that chat out of your current folder. But don't worry, your conversation isn't deleted. It just moves back to your general chat list, so you can still access it anytime. And that's it. You've successfully removed a chat from a folder on Telegram. This is a great way to keep your folders organized and make sure only the most relevant chats stay grouped together. You can repeat the same steps for as many chats as you like. If you ever want to add that chat back to a folder, just open the folder settings and reassign it later. Organizing Telegram doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about keeping things simple and clean. Thanks for watching.